You guys, I'm so excited. Our stroller is here from Strolleria. I cannot wait to put these together. I am so excited. Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you did not know, Ryan and I are almost 31 weeks pregnant, and I started to panic a little because we still didn't have a stroller. So we decided to go in with Strolleria, and Strolleria is really nice because they help you figure out which stroller you want, which one will be best for you and things like that. So it was very, very helpful since we have zero idea what we are doing. So we found ours, and we are now an owner of the UppaBaby Vista V2, and I wanted to show it to you, and we're gonna try to put it all together, and we're very, very excited. I'm ready to open it.
So one of the things that we found very helpful with Strolleria, as new parents, we really didn't know what we were looking for when it came to things like strollers and car seats and cribs and all of that. And the staff over there was super helpful, kind of guiding us through that experience of not knowing what to do. One of the things that we had found kind of early was a car seat. And what we did find was that there were interchangeable car seats with strollers, right, and bassinets. And this particular UppaBaby that Courtney's still pulling out here is compatible with our car seat. And that was one big thing right there where it's hey, it's one less thing to carry, one less thing that's not going to work with something else. They helped guide us through that, so our car seat can actually be placed on our stroller. And there's also a bassinet and whatnot. So that was super helpful.
Now that I'm winded putting everything together, I'm gonna open this and see what it comes with. Okay. All right, so here is the bassinet. Okay. This one will definitely the stroller. And then here would be the main stroller part.
So while Courtney takes off all of the protective foam, if people want to comment down below, what one baby item was it that you guys had to shop for that you found most challenging to make a decision on? Was it a car seat? Was it a stroller? Was it a crib? And what were the reasons for that? It just seems now there are so many options for so many things that it's just how do you pick? And while the internet is a great resource and friends are great resources, it can be challenging to determine what the right option is when there are so many options and many good options at that mat. So yeah, so like most people, one of the more important things for a stroller, aside from safety and things like that, is the ability to be able to travel with it and travel somewhat easily. So aside from just having a collapsible stroller, you want to be able to collapse it with ease, and you don't want it to take up a large footprint. And we worked with the people at Strolleria, and they really helped us with this. We personally don't have a big car at the moment. That might be something that will change down the road, but it was kind of crucial for us to have something that we could collapse easy, maybe something with one hand.
And not too heavy.
Exactly. Exactly. So the UppaBaby Vista V2 is what they recommended, and hopefully Courtney here will show us how easy it is to do that.
So assembly seems pretty easy. There's one little latch you have to pull in, which is right there, and then it opens. So very, very easy. So to put in the rear tires, it's super, super easy. There's a button here. You just have to push it and it goes right in. Easy peasy. And then just in the front tires, they just click right into place. Very easy to click into place. All right, this here, all right. Do I look good with it? Okay, next.
So there's two nice features on this particular stroller, and I imagine they're probably about standard now. Again, we don't know everything there is to know about strollers by any means, but I do know that at times you need to lock it, kind of like a wheelchair. Anytime you're maybe getting anything out or your baby out, you need to lock it. And what's neat about this is that you have a foot pedal here with a color indicator. So you can see it's red now that it's locked, and green means go. And that's obviously helpful if you're in a theme park or somewhere where you need to know on the fly if you're good to go. It's loud, you might not be able to hear it click. It's nice that you have that color corresponding to whether or not it's good to go.
So here's the bassinet. So we will most likely be using this first. So again, they just pop right in to the spots here, and it just, that's it. So again, very, very easy. And I'm basically ready to go. All right, so looking here, if you open it on this side, it has kind of like the net here for the sun. So very, very cute. All right, so we have this as well. This is to block the sun for her legs. And then we have this one up here. Clocks in. And this, it has like the netting down here. So she is fully covered when you go on walks or go anywhere that you need to go. All right, so here, if you have your husband who is taller, you can always make it a little bit higher for this. And then one thing also we noticed is that this button here, we weren't really sure what it was. This is how you can take it off. So you literally hit the button and it just pops right up. So very, very convenient. And then when the baby gets older, these will just go right in here as well. One-handed, babies. I did it with one hand. All right, so to take these crossbars off, you just use this little button here on the side. So it's really, really easy if baby needs to get changed or if baby needs to go to the bathroom, things like that. And then you look down here, there are two buttons here on the side. And once you have them here, you can adjust baby's legs if they want to be up or down. So here's one here. It can go a little bit lower than that, like that. All right, so something very cool about this, if you hit both of these to open, it's super easy to change which way baby's gonna see. So if baby wants to see mom every time, she can sit this way, or you could flip it the other way, and if they want to see people outside, that'd be fine as well, but they both work, which is really, really nice. So this stroller, it's really cool. It is actually future-proof, and what that means is that if you're having another child, there's actually buttons here that could put a second stroller down there. So it's very, very nice if you're planning on having more children. All right, so we put it back with the bassinet. So that's what we're gonna start off with. But also down here, look how much storage there is down here. Obviously, there's gonna be like a diaper bag that'll go down there. My purse will go down there, anything like that. So much storage down there, which is perfect because you never know what you're gonna need. All right, so my grandma was so kind for our baby shower. She got us the car seat. So very exciting, again, from Strolleria, UppaBaby, and I even learned how you're supposed to hold it. We watch so many videos to see how you're actually supposed to walk from it if you need to, so I've been practicing. Anyway, so We're just gonna put this right in, just like all the other ones that we have, and they just pop right in. Super, super easy.
So there you have it. This is our initial stroller setup for our newborn. We are very pleased with it. As complicated as the process was to determine what kind of stroller we needed, we're very pleased with what we have so far. It'll probably be like anything, like a car. Once you get it, have the growing pains of, oh, I didn't know it had that feature. But I think ultimately we're pretty pleased with it so far. And we're pleased that we can grow into it too, because we would like to continue to expand our family. So again, we just wanted to give a huge shout out to the people at Strolleria who helped guide us through this process. It is kind of an overwhelming process just having a baby in general.
Yeah, they made it so easy for us to try to figure out what we wanted. So
easy. And we'll put a link down below. Go ahead and check them out. This isn't a paid advertisement or anything like that. Check them out. They have a variety of different strollers, different price ranges, different needs, different wants. And it's not just strollers. I know that kind of seems that way with their name, Strolleria. But they do sell a variety of baby goods, and they just have been phenomenal in an industry nowadays where it's hard to get that one-on-one kind of,
for sure.
And it not feel like, oh yeah, if you go boutique-y and you can get it, you really do get a personalized experience there, and that's very refreshing.
Yeah. All right. Well, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.